I'm Adrian, the Cruise and Travel Guide. Join me on board the beautiful Queen Elizabeth for a tour of the most unique Princess Grill stateroom around. Queen Elizabeth offers 61 Princess Grill cabins, but there are only 2 with this unique floor plan. In contrast to the regular Princess Grill suite layout, Stateroom 5002 and 5001 offer a squarer floor plan that affords the room with an incredible feeling of space. There's a separate living room with sofa bed, plus additional storage. All travellers on board Cunard ships receive a complimentary bottle of bubbles on embarkation day to enjoy during the cruise. The suite offers 2 small flat-screen televisions above the minibar. The bar fridge held some milk capsules to be used with the provided tea and coffee facilities. Spring water is provided and replenished throughout each voyage as a perk of the room type. A coffee machine is another Princess Grill perk, plus there's a kettle and Wedgwood china. Coffee capsules, tea bags, sugar and biscuits are all provided and replenished as needed. The open plan suite has a bedroom with a queen bed. There's a 3-drawer bedside table on one side, while the other has a small cabinet with shelf, a single drawer and a cupboard. There are no power points located next to the bed, something that is unfortunately common on older ships. The vanity contains a single drawer, a telephone, and 2 US, 1 European, and 1 UK style power outlet. The suite is located all the way forward on Deck 5, and its position means that the balcony is at the very front of the ship, just behind a crew area. The balcony itself is also a good size with comfortable furnishings. The suite also has a forward-facing window which overlooks the crew area. It is tinted for privacy during the daytime, while at night the blinds must be closed so that light from the room doesn't interfere with the bridge on Deck 8 above. The forward view is definitely a nice addition, especially while sailing into port. Walking back inside, you can again appreciate just how spacious this room is. The walk-in wardrobe and bathroom are basically identical to what you'll find in other Princess Grill suites. There's a large number of provided hangers, plus a top-mounted shelf. Super comfortable, soft and luxurious bathrobes are also provided for use on board. The cupboard contains life jackets, a digital safe, and 4 additional shelves. The suite's bathroom is accessed from the walk-in wardrobe. The vanity has a granite bench top, while an under-sink shelf provides more space for odds and ends. 3 glass shelves on either side of the basin are perfect for toiletries and cosmetics. Penhaligon's branded hand soap and body lotion, as well as shampoo, conditioner and body wash, are all provided for use. A shower curtain keeps the rest of the bathroom dry while using the bathtub or shower. Queen Elizabeth was built in 2010, and while the general condition of the cabin is fantastic, the tile grout could do with a refresh. I hope you enjoyed that tour. It really is an incredible suite. Very rare, very unique. If you would like a suite like this, you do need to act quickly as there are only a couple on board the entire ship. If you would like to book a cruise on Queen Elizabeth or any other ship, you can head to my website, thecruiseandtravelguide.com.au, and to follow my travels as they happen, give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram at The Cruise and Travel Guide. Thanks again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.